EVGA 3090. The pinnacle of EVGA engineering is spinning on a turntable with a bag of what seems to be dead RAM chips. Why they're in a bag and not in a trash can, you're gonna have to watch this video till the end to find out. Hello Internet, today we have this 3090 from EVGA that, according to its owner, quit while gaming. In case you were wondering about the film, that's because it was put in a water block since brand new, so the film was never removed. Having a look around, a piece of glass fell out. Not sure where that came from, and I don't care, so let's take this thing apart and see what's inside. First interesting thing I noted was the LED connector was connected in the wrong place. I'm not yet sure if this contributed to the problem, so I'll continue with removing these useless blue thermal pads. Okay, we'll start with a short finder, which quickly revealed a dead short on the memory and on this 12-volt rail. Not knowing the source of the short, let's look at the GPU through a thermal camera. And it looks like we have a couple of shorted memory chips. Now let's take a quick look at the core and see if the 12-volt has made its way into the core. Barely noticeable heat signature there. It's kinda hard to say 100%, and I actually want 100%, so I will remove these chips and see if that helps. Okay, now let's have a look one more time. And it looks like the voltage is still bleeding into the 3 more memory chips, so let's remove those and see if it gets any better. With the chips removed, it is now clear that the problem is the core, so let's mark the core. That way, if you ever buy this 3090 on eBay for repair and see this core, you'll know exactly what's wrong with it. As I was assembling this thing back, I completely forgot that 3090s have chips on both sides, so I injected voltage there and I found 2 more shorts. But after removing them, it didn't help, so this card is not 100, but 1000% dead, and there's nothing left to fix. Even if I had a donor core, 12-volt going into the memory rail most likely damaged every component on its way, so this card is not good even for parts. Sorry about that. Maybe next time. Goodbye.